Well, because today your dad is gonna bring our fridge. Remember? Yes, of course. Woohoo, let's see if your papa have bought our fridge. We have nice milk in the morning, cheese, eggs. So happy. Yes. Let's see. Let's go inside. Yes. Come on in. We moved to a new house. Yes, Mom. I'm very happy too. Yes. Let's do the things step by step, right? Yes, of course. So guys, what do you think? Do you think we're gonna have a nice home to live? Woohoo! Yes, of course. Come in. Let's see how it's gonna be. It's empty. But we're gonna make it together. Alright? Yes. Yes, Mommy. Oh, I'm so happy for you today, Mommy. Of course. Where have you been? Ooh. Hello, my dear husband. Hello, my lovely one. Oh, can you guess what I bought for you? For us? For our family? Yes. Our fridge. Yes, our fridge. Ta-da! Oh, it's beautiful. Yes, it's very beautiful. And we're gonna make it together. We put our things inside. Yeah.
You can steer and these two cups here, and the other here, and one outside here. Okay, wait.
So my lovely, did you like my present? Yes, of course. I love our fridge. Thank you so much for giving it to me. Oh, it will be much better. I enjoy playing with you. Today was a lovely day, wasn't it? Keep up with the good work, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.